Card?
Yeah.
Read your card. What does it say?
Happy birthday, Izzy.
Yes. And who's it from?
Lenny.
Lindy, yes. So what do you want to say to Lindy?
I know.
Where are you? What do you want to say to Lindy? Can you say thank you, Lindy?
Thank you, Lenny.
Okay, can you read your card one more time?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Happy
Dear,
birthday,
dear.
Izzy. Dear Izzy.
What else does it say?
From Lenny.
Say it from Lindy, right? But no, it says, Dear Izzy, happy birthday. Love, Lindy. Can you say that again?
Wow.
Right. Look in the camera. Say thank you, Lindy.
Thank you, Lenny.